So now that we have our levels set up and working the way that we want, let's start adding in some music and some sound effects. So the very first thing I'm going to do is go back up to my Media tab, because this isn't just for artwork, this is for audio too. And I'm going to click on the plus icon that we see right here. And what we want to do is navigate to our music folder. So I'll do that now. Yours might be in a different location than mine, so don't worry about what path I'm choosing. I'm going to click Open for the Mini Agent Music. And then again, I'm going to click the plus icon, and I will navigate to the sound folder. And the two sounds that you're going to look for are coin and teleport. I'm going to hold down Shift, select both of those, and click the Open button. And if we scroll to the bottom of our Media tab that we see here, you're going to see that we have Mini Agent Music, Coin, and Teleport. You can actually even play this here inside the Media tab. So for instance, I'll play the coin, teleport, and our Mini Agent Music. Great. So now that we have all of that imported into our Media tab, let's go ahead and start plugging those into our actors. And the first one we're going to start with is, of course, the coin. So I'll click back on my Actor tab. I'll open up the All tag. And I want to click on the coin actor that you can see here. Once that's selected, we're going to open up the backstage. I'll just go ahead and close down the animation behavior that we created. And you can see that we already have a behavior in here that says when the coin comes in contact with the agent, then we want the coin to destroy itself. But we can just add in more behaviors by clicking inside this box here. So not only do I want the coin to destroy itself, but I also want it to play a sound. So in this box underneath destroy, I'm just going to simply type in the word play, and then I'll choose play sound from this list. Once you have that behavior inputted there, all we need to do is choose the sound you want to play. So that's what this drop down is for. And I'm going to choose coin, which was one of the sounds that we just imported. Now if you don't see this in this list, it's because you didn't import it yet. So make sure you do that. So I'll click on coin. We don't want to loop this, but we do want to make sure run to completion is checked. Now volume and pitch, you can play with those on your own just to understand what they do, but for right now we're not going to actually change anything. So let's go ahead and test this out. Okay, so that's working perfectly. So let's now add in sound for when our agent comes in contact with the portal. So I have my backstage open. I'm going to click on the portal actor, and you can see that that switches my backstage to the portal actor. And what I want to do is create a brand new rule. So I'll click on the new rule button, and we want to type in the word collision here and select that from the list. And we want to select agent. So we're saying when the portal and the agent come in contact with each other, then what do we want to happen? Well, in the do area, we're going to type in the word play again and select play sound. And this time we're going to select teleport from our list of sounds. Again, I won't check loop, but I will have run to completion checked. And I need to do this for each one of the portals. So I'm just going to select portal 2. And you can see that switches my backstage to portal 2, and then I'll just repeat what I just did. I'll create a brand new rule. I'll type in the word collision. And when there's a collision with the agent, then go ahead and play the teleport sound. So one last time for portal 3. You're going to have to do this for each one of your portals. Let's create a brand new rule. And let's type in the word collision. So when there is a collision with the agent, then I want you to play sound. And the sound we want to play, of course, is teleport. So let's go ahead and preview that as well. So all of that is working perfectly. So last but not least, we want to add in kind of a background music track. Now, you can add in this background music track to pretty much any actor that is existing inside your scene right now or inside your stage. It's just going to be kind of a container that holds this music that plays. So you can put it inside the block or inside the lava, just pretty much inside any actor that's going to stay there the entire time. You don't want to put it inside an actor that's going to disappear like the key or the coin. So we'll just use the agent as our container for our background music. So again, I'll click on the agent here in my actor tab. And inside the backstage, I'm going to close down a few of these groups, rules, and behaviors that we created earlier. And we don't want to create a rule for this because we don't need any sort of interaction. We needed to create a rule for the coin and the teleport because we needed to basically tell GameSalad that when our agent comes in contact with the coin, then do this. Or when our agent comes in contact with the teleport, then play this sound. In this case, we just want the music to play the entire time. So all I need to do is go over to my Media tab and just drag this mini agent music directly into this empty area here inside the agent actors backstage. And when I do that, you can see what happens. It automatically creates the play sound behavior. So again, we're going to have play sound here, not play music. And this time we actually want to loop this. We can keep run to completion checked. And then this might be an opportunity where you do want to play with volume just a little bit. It just depends on your preference. So let's go ahead and play this and see how it all looks and sounds. So we have our background music. And of course our coins. And our teleport is all working. So that's how easy it is to import music and sounds. And you can get creative with your own game and add in all sorts of other sounds, like perhaps when our agent comes in contact with the lava, there might be a game over or die sound, or when we collect the key. So there's a lot of really great resources on the internet to download free sounds and free game music. So go ahead and explore and add in your own sounds to your own game.